Welcome back to Carolina Rut Cuddles, everybody. As always, it's me, Matthew, your neighborhood Carolina Rut Cuddle. Or I guess Rut Cuddle, whatever you want to call it. Anyways, today I got something a little different today. We actually went and bought another four-wheeler. Sadly, this is just a flip, guys. I got this for $300. I put a $100 battery on it, and I have to put some tires on it. I'm waiting for them. They're supposed to be here in the morning. But anyway, let me show you what I've got. It's a 2002 Polaris Scrambler 400 two-stroke. Sorry, I'm just saying four-stroke. Anyways, I was going to do a whole video of taking this thing apart and fixing it, but it actually wasn't as bad as I thought it was going to be. I ended up taking all the plastics off, pulled the carb out, and I am not lying, guys. That's it. I pulled the carb out, cleaned it off, and it ran easy. No, I thought I was going to have to take the side of the engine off and put a water pump seal in it because the guy said the water pump leaks. It's not leaking. I can't get it leak. I've ran this thing nonstop and cannot get this water pump to leak. Anyways, this is a nice four-wheeler. I bought it for cheap. I'm about $560 in it in parts because I broke the fuel shutoff and something else I had to fix. And out of all that, I'm going to go ahead and I'm probably going to flip it because honestly, I want to keep it, but I don't know what I'm going to do with it. It's low to the ground. I really want to get bigger four-wheelers, and this is just kind of, it got a lot of power, guys. This thing's scary. So first, let's start this thing up. I'm going to show y'all how bad to the bone this is. First off, as you can see, where's the exhaust? I'll show y'all. See, hand? See my hand? See the exhaust? Yeah, look. Ooh, it's all good. Just hold my hand here. Hold my hand here. It's not hot. Cold. Has not been started today yet. So here we go. Come to think of it, I've been playing with the gas, trying to get the cable to free up a little bit, so it might not start, but normally it starts first hit. First hit. No trouble at all. Two-stroke, I think it's 38 horsepower. It's four-wheel drive, all-wheel drive, whatever you call it. Shifter. This thing is bad to the bone. I really do. I like this thing. Look, oh wait, wrong button. But cut it off. Even the lights work, guys. Come on, you can't say that ain't bad to the bone for $300. I've never been a big fan of the old two-stroke sound. I really ain't. It's hard for me to get the throttle exactly like I want it. It really is. Like, I think I need to idle up a little more from here. I think I have idle down a little too low right now. But it's hard for me to figure out because I'm used to, let me cut this off. It didn't cut loud. I think I need to idle it up a little more. But anyways, I'm used to being able to just idle it to where it runs smooth and that's where it belongs. But this thing isn't. You don't idle this till it's smooth, and that's one of the biggest issues I'm having with it right now, is trying to get it when it idles right, because I don't know where it's supposed to idle at. Anyways, guys, let's go take this thing out for a run. Well, we'll take it out tomorrow. Sadly, kind of trapped in here, as you can see. There's a little bit of room, but I'll take it tomorrow at lunch, but it'll be part of this video, so I'll see y'all in a second. Ladies and gentlemen, look how clean this thing is. I wiped down the plastic, washed it off. Now I'm just using some tile foam. This tile foam to just get this. I use this because it'll bring that plastic and make it look really good for a very long time. The only downfall is that waddle will stick to it, like really bad. Not waddle. What is it? Dust. Dust will stick to it really bad, but it's fine. I just use it on these parts I wiped all the other down with WD-40, and I'm telling you, just look at that. Look how shiny that is. You can't say that's not clean. Well, guys, sadly, now it's time to put it up for sale. I only had it for a week. I already missed it. Well, let me go ahead and we'll make sure to get back to you. We're going to ride this thing this week, and then we'll have to wash it off again. But I want to make it look good to take some pictures to put up for sale. So give me a second. We'll go ride this thing maybe tomorrow. I was going to do it today, but got caught up and only had enough time to wash it. So we'll see y'all in a little bit. I got it running, got it warmed up. So let's take it for a spin. I ain't really drove around that much, just around the yard. Man, this thing's fast. faster than I thought it was. Got a little straightaway hill. Okay, we gotta slow down. Woo! Okay guys, this thing is way faster than I thought it was. She started breaking loose a little too much for my taste, so I slowed down. Let's put on four-wheel drive. I do not like the knobbies on the back, I really don't. I really need tiles. Okay, slowing down. Woo! This thing is fast. I can't wait till we get this snow this weekend. It's gonna be so much fun. Well guys, anyways, I just rode around a little bit. I ain't really trying to get too much right now. Hopefully it's supposed to snow this weekend, so we're hoping for a good snow. If we do, we're gonna have a lot of videos with this thing. So I hope y'all stay tuned because we have a lot coming. I'm gonna load this thing up. Well guys, thanks for watching. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. We got the old two-stroke Scrambler loaded up. They're talking about some snow this weekend, so we're gonna take it back to my house and we're gonna be ready, and I will get as much snow footage as I can if we get some snow. So stay tuned for that. I hope y'all enjoyed this video, just showing off the new build, or new four-wheeler we're selling. It ain't really a build. Anyways, I hope to see y'all on the next one. Make sure you leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all soon.